Hi, I'm Sharon Atlas. I am one of the business owners in Santay and one of the global leaders in Santay International and one of the executive millionaires circle. I'm a teacher by profession. I took a job as preschool teacher soon after my graduation in college, and then I pursued my master's degree in special education. But when I got pregnant to my second child, I had to leave my career behind and focus on my family. Now, I am a full-time mompreneur. Ako bilang full-time mom, nasa bahay, nag-aalaga ng anak, earning dollars, di ba? I am building a legacy for my kids. You know, when I started doing this international network, year 2016, my vision is to build a huge and united organization na magkakaroon kami ng mga leaders, ng mga attendees ng isang malaking international convention. Build, build, build. Never stop building your organization. You have to achieve more. Aim high. Alam mo, sa tagal namin ni June sa industriyang ito, isa sa nakikita ko is complacency. Yung pag nakapag-build ka ng isang strong na linya, isang malakas na grupo, titigil ka na. Hindi dapat ganun. You have to build different lines. And second thing siguro, yung pagiging arrogant. Minsan, hindi na nakakatuwa sa ibang mga business owners na kasama natin pag masyado tayong mayabang, di ba? I am a travelholic. I love to travel around the world. At we're not stopping there. Napakarami pa namin gustuhan puntahan ni June. At the same time, gusto ko rin maranasan ng mga anak ko mag-travel dun sa lahat ng mga bansang napuntahan namin. You know, when you're able, anytime we can book a ticket, you have time freedom to do that and you're financially free.
With Santay, I can live more,
do more. To know more about Santay, visit our website and follow our social media channels.